Hi friends, today I am going to show you how to lecture about the suspension and colloidal and solution.
Sham, when you are giving the
So,
presentation, you have to continuously talk. You should not sit silent.
so let's begin. Suspensions means the suspension means the mixture which which is a solid particle and like sand mud when we in a test tube when we pour some mud with water it is and when we pour some mud after some time it will look some blur and after 5 to 10 minutes you can see that the in the test tube the all particles are at the bottom, they are settled down and the water has been separated by the particles and the water is clear now. So the meaning of suspension is this, and I am going to show you some activities which we can do with it, like you can do activities like take one glass of water and wait, and then in that you can in first activity I am going to show you, um, there is water like this, water in it, water in it, wait, water in it,
Sham, be louder.
and
Talk.
and then in first activity we are going to see what is suspension. So first we will pour some mud in a glass, take one glass and add some normal water and then add mud in it, and then you can see the mud which we have added, it makes the water blur and water looks too brown and blur, and after 5 minutes you can see that the mud which were here, it is this mud is going to transfer at the bottom after some time when he travel all the water of the glass, then he will that the mud will slowly he will appear at the bottom, and it will be separated by the water. So this was the suspension activity which you can do and observe what things are there, and you can observe that. I am going to make new file here. And you know that the suspension are used in our daily life, like for the medicines like antacids antacids and antacids, which is made up of suspension, and it is full effective and good for good for suspension. um, and you can also observe activity like when you take a test tube and add some water in it, and then drop some tablets of antacids like vitamin C tablets and other electrolyte tablets. When we add it to it, this tablet will go down and become, and at it it will go at the bottom and release the small bubbles in the water, and after 2 3 minutes you can see that the um, that the water which we have in we the water which we have which were in the test tube, it become clean. It becomes sorry it becomes blur and white type, and which are larger particles, they will settle at the bottom, and which are tinier particles, they will make the water blur. So this is the process which we can do and observe, and we can understand easily by these activities. And thus uh, next activity is, if we take a ball, if we take a ball to see the Tyndall effects, Tyndall in it. So what we can do, you can tell me what we can do, like we can we can break a egg, like when we break the egg, normal egg, it will release the white of it and one yellow yolk. when we the when we transfer this white yolk in the water, and when we stir it with a spoon, after some time, after when we stir at that time, it will look blur, and after some time you can see that the water has become clean, and some water particles, some water color will be some orange and some blue, like I will show you some orange and some of blue. It will be like this, cause of your yolk, and water will look like this, and when we mix blue and orange, what color will become, that type of water will be becoming. Now I am going to show you another activity, and it shows the Tyndall effect in that activity which I have shown you previous. Now we are going to see how to filter. Hmm, for filtration we will use a net for which we use in to cook tea, and after cooking tea we still we filter the all powder which we have poured in the milk with the use of this net, and milk will become like this. Wait, I will show you. Milk will become like this.
Talk when you're in front of the camera. You have to continuously talk. Engage the
Then
audience.
you guess in
Don't keep your mouth shut.
this color. Wait, I will show you. Like this you can use. And when we pour some pour the filtered water will come here, and tiny particles will come here, and large particle will be with the net. So I am showing you again a new activity. A group of boys make the activity which was given by their teacher. They take a test tube, and then they add some water in it, and the teacher was given activity was to make the Tyndall effect there in the water. Tyndall effect in it. So they do one say so they take egg, boiled egg, normal egg, and break the egg all egg, and pour pour it with the white and the yolk. When it go down, they mix it well. After mixing it, they don't pour the yolk, they only pour the water of the white yolk, and then they stir it well. After stirring it, they wait for some time, and then the all water become clear, and large particle come here, and large tiny particles were floating in the water at the top. And the suspensions means suspension means today it is suspension means the mixture which do not dissolve in the water, or dissolve in the water, like sand, mud, egg yolk, white yolk, and many more things are there. And solution means which dissolve in the water, like salt and sugar, and etc. Now I am going to show you how what is colloidal. Colloidal means the thing which we pour in water, then after some time it will become it their particles will float in the water and make the Tyndall effect in it, like the activity which I have shown you, that when we um, when we in a glass, when we add some um, water and egg white yolk and stir it well. After some time it will large particle will be settled down, and what tiny particles will be float and make the water look in blur. So it is mean the colloidal, and they make the Tyndall effect too. And this all and suspensions are used in the medicines like antacids. Medicine like tablets. So to we will end this class, and